So hey everyone, welcome to another service. So this service, Amazon Textract. So it's a really nice service. It's an artificial intelligence based service. So it is generally used to read optical characters from any text document or any image that you give in JPEG or PNG format. So it uses artificial intelligence or AI in the background in order to read all of the characters that are there in the text document that you are sending it. It also provides you the visualization of key value pairs whenever you have any kind of forms in your text document, or let's say for example that you have a table in the document that you're uploading to Textract. It will also give you the tabular format that it detects. It also detects all of the words that are there as text. And other than that, you can also integrate Amazon Textract with augmented AI or A2I platform of AWS, wherein we will be able to go ahead and have some very nice human workflows, such as let's say that a value in your document or a key value pair in your document is a wrong value, that someone has inputted something wrong, or let's say for example that one key value pair is missing, or let's say that the confidence value of one of the keys is very less than 50%. So in those cases you can also go ahead and enable this to integrate with augmented AI, and that will ensure that you will be able to do all of these automated workflows that generally humans do whenever they take a look at a document and they validate that document. So that's the power of Amazon Textract. So let's deep dive into what this service does. It's a pretty small service, and then I'll show you a very nice demo on the AWS console. So let's get started. So Amazon Textract, it's a fully managed machine learning service. So you don't need to worry about the infrastructure because this is fully managed. That automatically extracts text and data from all of your scanned documents. You can give your scanned documents in JPG format. You can give it in PNG format. You can also give it as a PDF format. It goes beyond simple optical character recognition or OCR in order to identify, understand, and extract your data and present it as forms and tables. So Textract uses machine learning in the background to instantaneously read and process all of the key value pairs in your document. It will even extract all of the text that it finds in the document. It will extract all of the forms as key value pairs and any kind of tabular related data that you have, and any other data that you would require. So you don't need to write any kind of code. Textract automatically takes care of that for you. So you can quickly automate any kind of manual document activities, enabling you to process millions of documents pages in hours. So you can do a very nice integration wherein, let's say for example, that you have all of your documents residing in an S3 bucket. So you can go ahead and ensure that whenever a document is uploaded to the S3 bucket, you have a Lambda function that goes ahead and triggers Amazon Textract, where the document is uploaded to Textract, and then you get back the JSON response. You also get back a zip file with all of the necessary data that is presented to you in a CSV format, and so on. So that's the kind of integration that you can do with Textract. It's very powerful. So some of its features are, it obviously does OCR or optical character recognition. This is one clue that you can take into when you go for your exam. And then it also does form extraction. It enables you to detect key value pairs in a document. Automatically, it converts that into a form based model for you in terms of visualization. It also extracts all of the tabular data that you have. So let's say that you have 4 to 5 columns and then you have 6 to 7 rows. Let's say that it's a pay slip of your organization. So you can do all of these things with tabular extraction with Amazon Textract. So some of the benefits are, you can easily implement human reviews, and this is an advanced concept, but you can do that by integrating Textract with augmented AI or A2I. So like I mentioned, if suppose there is any key value pair that is missing from your document, or let's say that the value of a key is wrong, or let's say that the key itself is missing for that matter, or even there is a spelling mistake, you can go ahead and ensure that you enable the human reviews to be done by augmented AI by you giving it enough instructions for it to do that. You can integrate that augmented AI task with Amazon Mechanical Turk, which runs all of your worker process. And the more number of workers that you have, the better the confidence value that you'll get, the better quality of your human review that you will get. And then you can go ahead and click on submit once you're happy with the human review. So it also ensures that you have good security and compliance. So it's used for workloads that are subjected towards SOC compliance, ISO standards, as well as the other compliance programs for the payment card industry or for the health related data and so on. So you can extract structured as well as unstructured data very quickly and very accurately. And I'll show you as to how accurate extract is when we go to the lab aspects. So you don't need to write any code. That's the reason why this is a fully managed service. So regarding the pricing of Textract, you only pay for what you use. There is no minimum fee. There is no upfront commitment. So Textract charges you on each page that you process, whether you extract only text from the document or text without tables or even the form data. A single page may contain between 0 to 3000 words. So therefore the pricing is like new customers can analyze 1000 pages per month using the detecting document text API, and up to 100 pages per month to analyze the document API when you extract form data or tabular data from that for the initial 3 months. Okay, so let's move into the console and I'll show you as to how Textract works. So there is already a very nice example in the Textract um, service itself that we'll be showing today. So as you can see, Textract always falls under the machine learning related services. So you can see Textract over here. Please do wait for the next lecture wherein we will have Amazon Kendra, which is a brand new service that they brought out for searching through all of your documents in terms of all of the words. It's pretty accurate. It's like a Google search that you can integrate. It's really great. So I have already logged into my console. I am logged in as the root user. So let's go ahead and click on Textract. That's under the machine learning based service. Sorry, by mistake, I clicked on transcribe. So let me go ahead and click on Textract. So this is Textract. So let's try it out. Let's see how it works. So you can click on try Textract. So it already has a sample document over here, but you can always take a look at going ahead and uploading your own documents. And I'll leave that to you guys. So you can go ahead and upload your documents and take a look at it, how it analyzes all of the key value pairs or the tabular data that is present in your document. So you can see that it has found out that there are key value pairs over here, which are nothing but full name, phone number, home address, mailing address, and so on. And you have a tabular data over here which says the previous employment history of a person. So let's go ahead and take a look at the raw text. So you can see over here we do have the raw text over here, and you can always search based on the words and the lines. And then you have the form data that it has automatically extracted over here, and it automatically puts it in a form based visualization way. So it has the mailing address, the full name, the home address, the phone number, and so on. And then you can take a look at the tabular format that it has analyzed. These are all coming under the document analyze API. So you can see it has already found out that there is a column 1 with the start date, column 2 end date, column 3 employer name, and so on. And then you have the human review. Now this is where things get interesting, because whenever you start uploading documents to Amazon Textract, it goes ahead and returns all of these different fields in terms of forms and tabular format and so on. And you can use Amazon augmented AI over there, wherein if suppose, let's say that you have a high confidence prediction, it's immediately sent back to the client stating that it's all fine and perfect. But if suppose there is a low confidence prediction, you can send it for a human review, and you can have multiple people review these documents, and finally your results will be stored in S3, which can also be returned back to the client application. So this is a pretty amazing, really good workflow that you can have. So instead of having your humans going ahead and taking a look at these documents and so on, you can ensure that you have an instruction based automated workflow through Amazon augmented AI, where you need to specify some instructions. Based on those instructions, it's going to run your worker jobs, and it's going to inform you automatically if suppose there is any discrepancy in your document and so on. So you can go ahead and take a look at downloading the results. So let's download the results. So it's going to give you a zip file, but let's take a look at the contents. So it gives you an API response in JSON. So I don't have any code editors, but let me see if I can open it with Notepad. So this is a brand new system that I have right now. Okay, cool. So you can see over here, you have all of these API response that's coming back from this document that you have analyzed. So you can always take a look at it. You do have key value pairs over here that are given to you in a CSV file, which you can open with Excel. You have raw text that is given as a JSON document, sorry, as a text document. And you do have the tabular column that is given as a CSV file. Okay. This is pretty cool, right? So these are all the results that you will get once you go ahead and download all of your results. So I hope you got a good idea as to what Amazon Textract does. It's simple in its nature, but you can do some things that are very powerful, like automated workflows and so on. So I'll catch you in the next session wherein we talk about another machine learning service called as Amazon Kendra. And I tried that service right when it released. It was a really good service. So you have to upload all of your documents to an S3 bucket. and you have to provision your Kendra instance, and you can start doing all of your searches on those documents. So I did everything in regards to the Wikipedia documents that I uploaded to the S3 bucket. It can be HTML pages. It can directly be HTML files that you upload. It's a pretty powerful service. So in the next session, I'll ensure that we take a look at that service. So thank you guys for attending this session. I hope all of you are safe and taking care of yourself. Have a great day. Thank you guys.